The gas crisis has become acute in different areas of the capital. There is almost no gas for cooking in homes. The city dwellers are in extreme suffering. They are concerned about the cause of the problem and about its solution as well. People get the pipeline gas supply at night, which finishes at 5 a.m. Although people get a little bit supply in the afternoon, the force of the supply is close to nothing, as in which cooking is so difficult. Residents of Jatrabari, Shonirakra, Kodomtoli, Mirpur, Nodda, Kuril, Bisho Road are also facing gas shortage. As an alternative, many are relying on cylinders or electric stoves. The daily demand of gas in the country is about 400 crore cubic feet. Against the demand, the supply is only 266 crores 20 lakhs. As a result, the crisis will be solved only if the demand and supply are met. However, the question is how long the city dwellers will have to wait for this.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।